National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sonneman to 9 miles northwest of Paxton to near Urbana, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Watseka, Momence, Gilman, Kircher, Clifton, Milford, Limestone, Onarga, St. Anne, Sheldon, Chabent, Cessna Park, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Buckley, and Martinton. Including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 264 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe